Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate your draft emails on Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and some emails that could be in the draft section. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner, go to Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. What I will quickly do is click on Compose and Email. Let's then select a recipient, which will be the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Click on this. Subject will be draft. Compile the email, dear admin. This is a draft email. And then what we will do is click on the X, save and close. This then gets saved to the draft section. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we have draft emails. Click on this. And here we have that email that was half compiled by myself, and 3 other emails that are also in the draft section, which I could in the near future go back into and recompile and resend to the recipient. So we can now go back to inbox, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.